Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. I was going through my comments on the channel and someone says they put these synetics on their turn signals on the front and these LEDs on the rear. If you remember these LEDs, they've been on my cars since the 18. The 2018 RAV4 used to have these ones on the turn signals on the rear. Then the 2019 has these ones I removed and I put them on the 2019, and now they're going back to the 2021. So even though they have the resistor inside, they've been working really good and they're super bright. Now, if you put this and this, you're gonna have HyperFlash on your RAV4. So to that person who make a comment, it's a Honda. So it works on your Honda. I don't think it's gonna work on my RAV4, but I just ordered these. They just got here today. This is the front turn signal 7443 switchbacks for the RAV4. I'm gonna put this on the front. I'm gonna put this on the rear, but I know they're gonna have HyperFlash if you combine these two. Super easy to do. I have episodes I'm gonna put right here when I did the installation on this on the 2019, and also I'm gonna put the episode where I put these ones. These ones, they've been working really fine until now. So I'm gonna put both of them. You guys saw me doing this a million times. I don't need to show you this part, but we wanna see the difference because I ordered new ones because the last ones I saw an opportunity and somebody get these lights from me. So I make some money, but I need to order more, so I get these ones today. Let's go and do the installation. This, you guys know, this is super easy. Got the bulbs right here. Finally, I'm going to Synetic again, just because they're so good. People says the last fit is better. Nah, I don't think so. That's why I always go to these ones. So let me put it on. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the lights on and we'll see the difference between regular and the Synetic. Oh man, they look amazing. And that's regular, Synetic. Yeah, I miss those lights. You see the difference? That's regular. Synetic is much faster, brighter. I just love LEDs. Now, let's put the one on the rear to see if we have HyperFlash. And that's turn signal only. What I noticed on these switchbacks is not like my old ones. On these Synetic ones, it doesn't switch from white to amber when you put the turn signals. And I think that's safer because it's not too much going on. It's solid color. Once you stop the light, it goes back to white. Yeah. So I think they make some changes on the light I didn't know. Kind of like I like better the old design where it switch back. But anyways, we have the Synetics again. Let me put the one on the rear. Let's see the difference. Alright, that was easy. Now let me put the lights on to see how they work. But I believe when I put the turn signal, it's gonna HyperFlash, but not with the hazards. Let's find out. Super bright, that's for sure. If you compare LED with halogen bulb, you can see the difference. Now let me put only the turn signal on this side. We'll see. Okay, I guess I was wrong. You can see they work fine, so I'm happy now. I'm really happy. I guess the person who made that comment, he knew something. But I don't remember if it was on my 2018 or my 2019. I think it was on the 2018 when I combined this with the Synetic and I have HyperFlash. Wow, I'm amazed. So I guess the LEDs they're going back into the car, both front and back. So I'm really happy with that. I just did this side, but now I'm gonna turn on the vehicle and put the turn signals. Let's see if with the vehicle on, something's gonna go wrong, but I doubt it. So to that person, yeah, you was right, I was wrong. Thank you. Super bright. Now let's put the turn signals. Okay guys, we have LEDs front and rear on the turn signals. So it does work. I was wrong, probably it was my 2018. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you wanna have this setup, Synetics on the front and these LEDs on the rear. I don't remember the name of the brand, but you guys saw me doing this and using these exact same lights all the time. Okay guys, I'll leave you with that. Link is gonna be in the description. New setup, I like it a lot. Now the LEDs, I think throughout the whole vehicle, they're already in place. If you have questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.